Now, what we're doing here is we're using the emery cloth. This particular emery cloth is a fiberglass wire mesh that we're using to clean the copper fitting. And you can also use a wire brush to clean copper fittings. This is a 3/4 inch copper 90. And we just want to make sure that the inside of the copper fitting is clean. And what you see me doing here is cleaning the edges of the copper fitting. That helps to also make a better weld or solder joint. And here we're applying the flux, which will allow copper pipe and the copper fitting to solder together. What you're looking at here on the floor there is a backflow valve, and what we're showing you there was a 3/4 inch male adapter. So before we put this male adapter and attach it to the backflow adapter, we're going to solder the pipe to the male adapter first. That way when we go to pipe dope the male adapter or put Teflon tape on it, we won't lose our seal reheating it up, and we won't damage the backflow preventer with any heat. And you see here we're cutting the pipe, 3/4 inch pipe with the pipe cutters, and every time I make a turn or two, you see right there I just made a little twist to tighten it down a little more, twist it a little more, until eventually pop, it comes loose. Okay, we'll do this again. Just cut, a couple turns. Turn the handle, tighten down on it, a couple more turns. Take our emery cloth and clean off the end of the copper pipe. Now we'll put our flux on here. It's important that when you do put the flux, there's no such thing as too much flux. You just want to make sure that you put enough. Okay, now we'll take our copper male adapter, put the two pieces together.